Today, we are going to talk about your first dictionary. You will learn the first letter of the word and how the word is being pronounced correctly. All you have to do is to listen while I am pronouncing the word for the first time. And then, repeat after me. Are you ready, kids? Let's go. The word starts with letter G. Grapes. Repeat. Grapes. Repeat. The next word starts with letter Y. Yum. Repeat. Yum. Repeat. The word starts with letter S. Smoke. Smoke. The word starts with letter B. Brain. Brain. The word starts with letter O. One. One. The word starts with letter T. Two. Two. The word starts with letter T. Three. Three. The next word starts with letter F. Four. Four. The word starts with letter T. 10. 10. The word starts with letter L. Liver. Liver. The next word starts with letter N. 9. 9. The word starts with letter S. Sugar apple. Sugar apple. The word starts with letter E. Elephant. Elephant. The word starts with letter B. Blade. Blade. The word starts with letter S. Stage. Stage. The next word starts with letter A. Airplane. Airplane. The word starts with letter S. Squatter. Squatter. The word starts with letter S. Statue. Statue. The word starts with letter S. Students. Students. The next word starts with letter F. 5. 5. The word starts with letter S. 6. 6. The word starts with letter E. 8. 8. The word starts with letter S. 7. 7. The word starts with letter S. Sword. Sword. The next word starts with letter R. River. River. The next word starts with letter F. Fish. Fish. The word starts with letter B. Bolo. Bolo. The word starts with letter G. Goose. Goose. The word starts with letter E. Eggs. Eggs. The word starts with letter L. Ladyfinger. Ladyfinger. The word starts with letter O. Office. Office. The word starts with letter C. Clock. Clock. The word starts with letter B. Bear. Bear. The word starts with letter G. Gray hair. Gray hair. The word starts with letter S. The word starts with letter W. Wine. Wine. The word starts with letter C. Crab. Crab. The word starts with letter W. Waves. Waves. The next word starts with letter F. Father. Father. The word starts with letter B. Bitter gourd. Bitter gourd. The word starts with letter C. Child. Child. The word starts with letter S. Shadow. Shadow. The next word starts with letter C. Cone. Cone. The next word starts with letter F. Four. Four. The word starts with letter G. Grandchild. Grandchild. The next word starts with letter F. Fire. Fire. The next word starts with letter U. Umbrella. Umbrella. The word starts with letter S. Sun. Sun. The word starts with letter S. Salt. Salt. The next word starts with letter D. Dog. Dog. The word starts with letter B. Blue. Blue. The word starts with letter B. Black. Black. The word starts with letter B. 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 The word starts with letter B. Bird. Bird. The word starts with letter B. Broom. Broom. The word starts with letter C. Cap. Cap. The word starts with letter C. Chair. Chair. The word starts with letter C. Clouds. Clouds. The word starts with letter E. Ice. Ice. The word starts with letter G. Glass. Glass. The word starts with letter G. Goat. Goat. The word starts with letter H. Hill. Hill. The next word starts with letter K. Knife. Knife. The word starts with letter L. Ladder. Ladder. The word starts with letter L. Lion. Lion. The next word starts with letter M. Mango. Mango. The next word starts with letter M. Mountain. Mountain. The next word starts with letter M. Mug. Mug. The next word starts with letter N. Needle. Needle. The next word starts with letter P. Plants. Plants. The word starts with letter S. Sea. Sea. The word starts with letter S. Spoon. Spoon. The next word starts with letter T. Tail. Tail. The next word starts with letter T. Thread. Thread. The next word starts with letter T. Tiger. Tiger. And this ends the lesson of the day. I hope you learned a lot. I hope to see you once again in the next videos. This project is brought to you by I Volunteer for Filipino Children.